Do you ever wonder why resolutions don't work? Are you at a point where you're thinking, why even bother anymore? Did you even set resolutions this year? In this video, I want to help you understand 3 reasons why resolutions don't work, and then most importantly, what to do about it. My name is Felicia Searcy. It is my joy to be your partner in believing. Your dream is my passion. Setting resolutions. We've all been taught to do it. Set goals, set intentions this year. This is going to be the year. January 1st rolls around. It's that arbitrary day when we all decide a new beginning. This is a new beginning, and you're determined, you're committed. This time you're doing it. And as the month, as the days, as the week goes on, the weeks go on, you find yourself slipping back into the same old behaviors, doing the same old things, getting the same old results. And there's that in you just wants to pull your hair out and wonder, what is wrong with me? Well, there's nothing wrong with you. It's understanding what's required to truly bring your desire into the facts of your life. So 3 reasons why resolutions don't work and what to do about them. Number 1, really understanding, getting really clear around what is it that you really want and why do you want it? Most people come into a resolution with, okay, this is the year I'm going to lose weight. This is the year I'm going to change jobs. And it's coming from that place of trying to fix something. And you know you want to do it differently, but you've just not taken the time to get really clear in your mind an image of what different looks like and a really good reason why you want to do different. So not only do you want to change jobs and, so feel the discontent, but then to get really clear. So what would I love to create instead? When I get up in the morning and I'm getting in my car and I'm heading to work or I'm heading to my office or my business, whatever it is, what's a very clear image of what that new life looks like? The clearer the image, the more you're able to really feel it in your body, the realer it becomes to you, which then helps you with number 2, the second reason. If you think about wanting to lose weight or wanting to get into shape, think about what's a reason. Is it because you want to go hike the Grand Canyon, or you want to go skiing easily in the Colorado mountains, or you want to take your kids or grandkids to Walt Disney World and you want to keep up with them? Having a very clear reason for why it is you want to change something is the fuel to keep you moving forward, which then leads me to number 2. The pain of making a change feels bigger than the pain of staying where you are. It's one thing to want to change something, but when it comes to physically putting it into motion, you don't trust that new yet. You don't have a relationship with that new yet. You know this devil, whatever this is, you have no evidence that it's actually going to be better if you go through the rigor that's required to make that change, to create a new result for yourself, which goes back to number 1. The more in love you are with your vision, with your desire, and the clearer that picture is, the more fuel you will have to override the inertia of the status quo and that part of you that is really convinced that even if you do this, things aren't going to get any better. Now you've got a clear picture of how you can see how things are getting better. And number 3, lack of real support. Somebody who's able to look you in the eye with unwavering belief that as you think it up, you have everything inside of you required to bring it into the facts of your life, and who actually can show you how to do it. We have our friends, we rally family members, and they're in their own stuff in terms of wondering if they can do what it is that they say that they want to do. They want to believe in you, but they've got a lot of history as to why they don't think it's actually going to happen. You need somebody in your corner who has absolutely no investment whatsoever of whether or not you do this, except that they care deeply for you and they believe in you. They're not going to be impacted. And personally, if this works or not, they're there 100% for you. That's their only job, is to be there for you. The power of having a partner in believing and somebody who understands the cause of our results is indescribable. I can't even begin to describe the power of that. So number one, why don't people succeed at resolutions? Because of lack of clarity and no reason why. They don't really have a clear reason as to why they're doing it. Get a very clear image, back to the question that I've asked in previous videos, what would you love? And get really clear as why you want that. Number two, know that the new is better than what currently is. So that image of that new version of you, that new version of your life will help you override the inertia of, you know what, this is really good enough. And number three, to have somebody in your corner that has unwavering belief that you have everything within you to bring this into form. All right, so if you wrote a resolution, share it here so we can serve and believe in you. Tap into this amazing community knowing that it stands with you as a partner in believing, and I stand with you as a partner in believing. Share in the comments below. My name is Felicia Searcy. It is my joy to be your partner in believing. Your dream is your passion, is my passion. I want it to be your passion, but your dream is my passion. And together, let's make 2019 your best year yet. Mwah.